now. Please prepare table 1 and 2. You'll be the first. Thank you.
You are one of the few things worth remembering.
Again, table 1, occupants of table 1 and 2, please prepare. Jane De Castro, so this is your handsome hubby. So asa man si hubby karon ma'am?
Sa Africa.
O naa sa layong dapit nasa Africa. So, muna inyong baby. Okay, so mingaw gyud kayo ma'am. Ang Pasko? Sige lang, di na lang mag-goal kay namantay prize. Congratulations, a big round of applause for Miss De Castro. Thank you ma'am for joining us. Their wedding band. So inyong mga singsing. Ang mag-asawa mo dool sa ako nga nagdala sa nagsuot sa ilang mga singsing. 1, 2. Sa dili na po uso magstutay singsing ron. 3. Dali. Why ba asa si Mr. Ma'am? Okay, Nara. Okay, please introduce yourselves.
I'm John Saldayan, together with my wife, Charlene.
Wow, yung lovely wife. Sir, pila na mo ka years married, if you don't mind?
2 years.
Bago pa lang po sila di ay. Okay. Na may anak, sir?
2 babies.
2 babies. So, mura ka na tuig lugar. Sige lang. May nang magpugi. No, mentras bata-bata. Okay, thank you very much. A round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Saldia. Next table, please. Table 6, please come forward. Okay. Kani para ni sa general participation. Bisag kinsa pwede mo appeal. Guest wearing pink earrings. So babae. Guest nga nag-wear og pink na earrings. 1, 2. Rampama. Okay. Okay, please introduce yourself, miss.
I'm Charity.
You are?
Charity.
Okay, tigun sa man ka sa couple.
First cousin. Cousin of BL.
Okay, so cousin ni VL. Gagaw data. Parinti data. Anyway, here's your prize. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Sir, tigun sa nimo si kinsa imong relative diri?
Ang yang mama.
Ay, lolo day ni Alfie. Palakpakan mo na to si lolo, oy. Ngalan nimo, sir?
Rodrigo Samalpong.
Rodrigo Sumalpong. Okay, sir, your prize. Thank you very much. Okay. Si lolo day, alisto pa kay si Please introduce yourself. Sir, you are?
Fernando. Banawa.
Okay, you are?
Banawa.
Okay, so Mr. and Mrs. Banawa. Pila na mo ka years married, sir, ma'am? Para mag-dili sure si sir. 7. Tarong, sir, ha? Bitaw. Congratulations and thank you for being here and sharing Alfie and Venus Day.
This is a short message nga atong mabasa sa Efeso 5. Kinahanglan nga magkinabuhi kamo diha sa gugma. Ingon, daghan kayong salamat niining oportunidad nga inyong gihatag kanako. Diin nahimo akong kabahin niining halandumon ninyo nga adlaw sa diin gihiusa kamo dia sa kaminyoon dia ni Kristo. Akong mga nagkurog ang akong ngabel, no? Di ko kasabot kay akong gi-imagine nga ang akong anak ang naada naglingkod nga ingon ani dang bation so sa kaginikanan, no? Nagkurog yun siya. Nagkurog yun. So, pasensya na. ako lang naninguha lang jud ko nga unta itugot sa Ginoo nga makaatin, maka-witness jud ko aning higayuna. Kay katong inyong mga friends nga minyo sa katong nakalabay, siguro tungod sa mga kondisyon sa akong panglawas, wala gyud ko nakaatin. No? Pero aning higayuna, pag mata nako ganina, naningkamot ko nga makondisyon unta ko ba kay tungod talagsaon ra kay nga kahigayunan. Salamat sa Ginoo nga giatagan ko og maayong kondisyon sa panglawas. So ni ako karon aron ipaabot lang nako ang akong mga panghinaot alang sa inyong kaminyoon nga unta sa inyong panaw sa kinabuhi. Sulod sa kaminyoon mahuptan ninyo ang maayong pamuyo. Nga unta isip bana ug asawa naa ang respeto sa usag-usa. Ang importante nga naa sa inyong taliwala si Kristo. Panghimnaot alang sa umaabot ang hatagan kamo sa Ginoo ug mga maayong mga anak. Sama kaninyo nakita nako nga maayo ang pag-umol kaninyo sa inyong ginikanan, mga buutan. Nga unta magpabilin kini bisan unsa pa inyong maabot sa inyong padayon nga bisan asa kamudalon sa inyong destinasyon sa inyong pamuyo. Pagpabilin ang usa ka hiyas nga puno sa pagpaubos nga unta bisan unsay mahimong inyong mahuptan sa kinabuhi nga kalambuan, magpabilin kung unsa mo karon, magpabilin gihapon mo niya nang higayuna. So wala ko masayod kung unsa pa ako idugang. So once again, congratulations. O God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Cousin ko ni VL, ni Vina, no? When we were younger, my brother and I, almost all of the brothers and sisters of my mother got a chance to take care of us when we were younger. And probably the sister of my mom who was closest to us and who took care of us the most was my Auntie Luz. I'm not sure if she remembers, no? In fact, because when Mama and Papa were working, it was Auntie Luz who took care of us. Therefore, when I was in high school, Auntie Luz called me and asked me to be the ninong of her third child, VL. So, I think nanimalos siya, no? She wanted me to take care of VL. Until now, VL is still my first kinugos, nga also my cousin. And now, tonight, I feel so honored that VL has also asked me to be a true ninong in her wedding. And I think that she married a really good man, Alfie, who I met quite a long time. You know, I met about a few hours ago. So, good meeting you, Alfie. AR, no? You know, weddings, mga kasal ngayon ani, are great occasions for sa inyong mga singles, no? Because it is a time for us to look forward to something exciting, grandiose, you know, what with the same day editing, especially with the very capable Ravi Wong and Elaine Adeva. Free advertising. You know, and for us married couples, it's probably also a nice time to reminisce. Wow, you know, grabe, layo na kayo. Sa una, dili mo musayaw. Sa una, lingkod naman ang mama ug papa. You know? And I can attest that I think VL and Alfie, you have a veteran group of folks who are couples here, no? If I just mention a few, my relatives actually who are here, like your parents, for example, Uncle Boy and Auntie Luz Magusara, I think been married for 33 years, no? And then Uncle Danny and Auntie Carmen Pendang have been married for, I think, about close to 37 years. And then Uncle Raul, Auntie Tita Vienna Pendang Wong have been married for, I think, about 28 years. And my parents themselves, Papa Alan and Mama Josie Gaite, have been married for 41 years, no? Same as my age. And I myself, I really consider this a very special occasion because 16 years ago today, to the exact day, I also said I do to my lovely wife Claire in Mandaluyong. So, happy anniversary, Langga. I love you. Okay? So, if you look at sa mga tao, what is the common thing across all of the married couples that I mentioned? There is one common thing. And that one common thing is our marriage were never perfect. They were made of imperfect marriages. So what I'd like first for you to think about or to realize this, the gauge of a good and lasting marriage is not that it is perfect. No? Why? And with that kind of thought in your head, let me try to share unsay ako mga na-learn over the past 16 years about marriage. So first, marriage, no matter what the circumstance are, is always God's plan. Plano na sa Ginoo para kaninyo. No matter if you made the decision to go down on your knee and propose, or si Vina finally coerced you to go down on your knee and propose. No matter the circumstance, it has been always God's plan for you, for your spouse. You get married not because you want to get married, but because you love your spouse so much that you want her or him to be happy. And I think that is the message of marriage being a commitment to serve. In a Christian context, again, see, Father Abet reminded us, how do you love? Let's see how Jesus Christ loved. He loved us so much that He died for us, right? He died on the cross because of that love. And that is the same between the two of you. You must be willing to die for your spouse. And in the context of marriage, come to think of it, we actually die. We actually die to ourselves. Pag we commit to be together, to be one. Why do we die? Why do I say that we die to ourselves? Because we say two become one, right? But 1 + 1 is never 1, right? 1 + 1 is always 2. So we have to die to ourselves so that we become half and we are able to accommodate the other half of our spouse. And at the same time, our spouse we need to have to die to themselves, a part of them, to accommodate you, and the two becomes one in the sight of God. So in that way, that is how you relate it to all the sacrifice, all the communication that you need to do, all the patience that you need to have. Why? Because that part is what you cannot stand. But that part is what you also love the most about your spouse. Ever wonder why we say we introduce our spouses as the better half? Why do we introduce them as a better half? Because we make them better. It is our job, because of our true love, to make them better. Huh? So, Vina, not so used to calling you Vina, VL and Alfie, make each other better. That's how true love is. As Father Abet mentioned, end of the day, true love is not a feeling. It is a decision. It is a decision to serve and to die for that spouse, that better half that you committed to marry to. So, a few years from now, when you have all these trials, arguments, irritations, and the barriers and the hardships in life in case, just go back to this moment and try to remember not only the beauty of this, not only the beautiful SDE, not only the beautiful and lovely friends, loved ones, relatives, and parents of yours who were here, but most importantly, remember your spouse during that time. And remember that in front of God, you committed to your spouse, for better, for worse, in sickness and health, for richer, for poorer, till death do you part. It is your spouse who committed your life, your service, and your love to. And I hope and I pray that all the couples here also try to remember that. At the end of the day, we are here because we made that decision to love and to serve our spouse and our families. And with all of that, I would like to wish you all the best, all of God's blessing and love, and I pray that you would put Jesus always in the center of your life. and of your kids. And for all of you, I also pray that you go home inspired and energized of this wedding, not only because we've seen our loved ones here in front of us, but also because somehow we remember that once upon a time, we were also in love, and we continue to do so. Good evening.
I'd like you, gentlemen, to go over the single ladies and bring a single lady with you here in front. So, ihatag ang bulak, ha? Ayaw, kalad ka ha? Gentlemanly po. Okay, ready? 10, go na! 9, 7, 6, kuwati kong isa. Wala nakakuha ang single lady, be? Anyway, pictorial with ARVL. So please, together with your partners, of course. So, okay. Sige. Okay. Okay. At this point, I'd like to separate the gentlemen. Dili sa mubalik sa chair kay na ay punishment. Aw. Please form a single line here in front. Ilog sa tagamay dito, ladies, para ma-accommodate ang mga gentlemen. Okay, you face the audience. Ipakita inyong mga pagkamaan niyo. Okay. Forward. Pag matagaan na mo, dilisan ninyo bunitan na nasa inyo tubangan. Butang ninyo sa inyong ulo. Then this. Put the glass above your head. Okay. No snaking, ha? Yan. Bunitan o gayo. Okay, mabuak na, kamoy bayan. Joke. Sige. Okay. Dungan mo drink sa wine, ha? Okay. 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 Diretso inom, ha? Bottoms up. At the count of... Ready na? Okay, ready? Cameras and the video, please prepare. At the count of 3, okay guys? Ready? Yes, imnon siya. Ayun ako liligo. Imnan lang. Anyway, ready? Diretso, bottoms up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Let's see kung minsan nakainom sa hilong. Ow! Minsan nakainom sa... Okay, dili daw ko, babe. Makutana ko kung sa ilang nainom. Kasi nakainom sila glanit, madyo. Kasi kung na-taste? Coke. Coke. Ah, okay. Ikaw, sir. Coke hapon. Ikaw, Mr. Bestman. Coke. Coke. Ikaw. Sure ka, Coke? Ikaw, sir. Wala ka nalipong sa imong nainom. Okay lang. Ikaw, sir. Coke. Sure? Ikaw, sir. Ikaw, sir. Coke. Coke na Coke. Ikaw, sir. Ikaw, sir. Ikaw, sir. Ano sa? Wine. Ah, sunay na lahi. Okay, sir. Forward. Forward, girls. Napahadlok na rin sila. Dili. Hoy, fine. Basta dili mo matudayon. Go. Okay. Here's what you will go. Here's what you're gonna do. Inyo ang mga right. Yan. Sige kayo, ako nang ikuha ni auction sale. Si Moto daw.
na siya pag iro.
Okay. You,
Cardful naman to.
about face.
Cardful.
Talikod mo sa ato ang audience. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Ladies, shoe. Ang dili maka-retrieve, ang maulahi. Ang maulahi o retrieve sa iyang sapatos na premyo. Anyway, at the count of 3 ha, lumbanay ni kay maulahi. Tagaan ng premyo, trip 2. Anyway, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Kaya itong i-check kung mabagin ninyong nakuha ng sapatos kay basig nanguha mong diliin niyo ha. Be mo miss, let me see your other shoe. Sakto. Correct. Correct. Kinsay wala? Si Miss Oji. Yun. So please sit beside the bachelor over there. Thank you, ladies, for being a good sport. Okay. Let's do the interview portion. Is that the bus? What's your name, sir? Albert. Okay. And you? Excuse me. Oji. Magkaila mo? Hala? Naay ni Angko, naay ni Dinay. Wala to sila pakpakan din. Kiligon man sabta. Okay, pila na mo ka? If you don't mind, makichismis sa mi ha? Chismosa ra ba min? Pila na mo ka years? Wala, pangutan na ako na siya. Wala. Sure ba? 4. Asa mo tapit na? Saan Islam book? Where and when did you meet? Okay, klaro ha, kay basig masayop, basig mahimo kining na kong away. Isod.
Babat. Upo sa Elena. Basig ingitan lang.
Check, Miss Oji. When? Sa dalan daw. Sa magkilid-kilid.
Tanggalan yung
When? Mga year lang. 2008. So wala dayon mo ng love at first sight. So friends muna pag may time. Okay. Sige, challenge na ta. Go! Sige. So naibuhaton si AR o si BL nga maawat sad mo. O asa sila as a couple din. Kamo sad mo as lovers. Charin. Sige. Mr. and Mrs. Kaha. Katumbang daw. Pero na mga suggestion diri oh. Wala. Ang saan daw pag hug? Bear hug? Oh, sige, kamu daw. At least, di ba, nakapractice na mo. Ayan. Friends lang? Wala may spark? Trigera gid kayo ba? Ayun. Sila gikilig ay. Kanang nose to nose sa mag-asawa. O, take note ang kamot ni Alfie ha, sa hawak ni BL o, kanawa. O, sige, go! Okay, this time, Alfie. Gamit. Magaling, ligaw-ligaw ni ngipon si Alfie. Yeah. Okay, Alfie, you may now turn it over to Albert here. Albert, challenge ha, to show your true love for Oji. In front sa tanan. Before ni mo na itawad, sexy dance. So, bida sa tunga, bida. Paikot kang spot. Ayan! Ito na! Oh, ha? Ano sa inyo? Again daw? Wala kita si Miss Audrey. Oh, hala? Oh, ay palakpakan naman. Dinalim. Sabi ko pa. Saros-saros na yun tingog ba ha? Okay, please place the garter on Audrey's leg. Agoy, kanilo. Higher higher! Higher pag yun! Higher! Oh, masaman, higher na to, dili pa. Kontento na ba to? Nataman ko sa liog. Taman ko sa liog. Sige daw, kontento na ba to? Nagili daw sila oh. Higher pa daw. Kawel, sa paminaw yan. Higher pa, John. Go. Sakit ka naman. Ay, kandado. Ay, kandina. Iwagang shoe ni Miss Audrey. Okay, thank you very much. And here's your special prize from Alfie and VL. Yan. Another round of applause for Albert and Audrey, please. And please join our couple there. Okay, thank you very much.
Good evening sa inyo. Kung kabalo lang mo kung saan ka kalipay, umindo ang anamo karon dili sa mo ang wedding. Nahulog na siya. Siya ganana ko. Una sa tanan, nagpasalamat ko kang Lord kay gitugot niya mahitabo ning event. Even though dagan kayong mga problema na naabot, pero strong ming duha na agapon, I think successful naman ang event. So, sa mga parents, ang Mama Luz, ang Papa Bal o ang Mamang, and sa akong Papa, even though wala siya diri, kabalo ko full support gapon to siya. And excited na siguro to makita ng mga pictures o videos. And sa mga friends namo, sa mga abay, groomsmen, bridesmaid, thank you kayo. Sa mga ninong and ninang, thank you kayo. Friends, mga co-worker namo sa Dr. Uy, ang mga mentor sa IIT, o katong mga wala na ako na-mention, thank you kayo sa tanan. And sa mga suppliers, dili mo ni may successful kung wala mo. Thank you kayo, Mindscape, Robbie, Alain, and Kevin. And of course, ang kinakusgan nga coordinator, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you, thank you. Sorry, Roy D. Day sa gown. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Dili ko mag-thank you, Ragani. Thank you so much for coming over, especially katong sa mga nag-travel pa and took their time and effort para lang mutungha sa mong kasal. For sharing your time, thank you so much. Sa tanan-tanan, dili na may mention ta sa tagsa kay basin nay malimtan, maluod dayon. Basta daghang salamat sa inyong tanan dayon. I hope same na mo nag-enjoy pud mo sa mong night. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, another round of applause for Alfie and VL. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite
asawa ko.
Isik. Isik pa ni mo.
6'4 na lang yung iso, anak. 2.8 man gud ni, 1.4 man gud ka. Oh, hindi sa'yo mo, focus kayo.